that, it's time for that first alert forecast.
There we go.
This is something you've been talking about for a while. I mean, it's really exciting stuff.
And you know, we really want to emphasize, I don't know if we specifically said it in that, but the big thing is we don't want to, and if you've been watching me all these years, we don't want to alarm you, okay? That's not the point. We just want to alert you. A lot of times we see stuff on weather maps out in time, and we don't really share it too much on TV. So, and let's be honest, you guys know me pretty well. Sometimes I just kind of get into my weather geekery, and I don't focus as well. So this helps me focus. For example, Friday. We have this is nice timing because we have a first alert weather day coming up on Friday. Why? Well, we think we're going to see heavy rain at times, especially in the evening, but throughout the day it's going to be pretty snotty out there. Just kind of a rough day in general. But I think by the time we get to Friday night, let's say around midnight Friday, 1 to 2 inches in the I-5 corridor. That's all the cities here along I-5. Maybe 4 to 8 inches in the coast. In the Cascade Ranges. The coast would be like 3 or 4 inches there. So the combo of that plus a gusty south wind, I bet we're going to get some power outages as well. So not a massive storm, but I want to, like we said, alert you that we've got something coming up here on Friday. All right, other than that, what's next? Well, we're still in this active weather pattern. We see another system on Sunday. That one doesn't look as intense for the lowlands, but that could dump a lot of snow in the Cascades. We've got these fast-moving systems. So tomorrow, we got a dry and cold first half. Some of us will have patchy frost, probably west metro, though, not central and east side. And then the second half of tomorrow, just kind of gray and drippy. Now, this weekend, we do have light showers on Saturday, and then a real cold rain coming up on Sunday. Notice there aren't many showers left here, just down around Clackamas County here, southeast of Oregon City. I see a shower, but kind of quiet tonight. So partly cloudy with areas of frost, mid-30s. East of the Cascades, real cold, teens and 20s. That is not unusual, though, in November. And if we're going to get frost tonight in the metro area, I think it'll be a few spots on the west side. I think there'll be too much cloud cover, central and east metro. Now, for the kids tomorrow morning, 38, so that's a cold start, but it'll be dry. And then in the afternoon, just drippy, not heavy rain by any means. Temperatures right around 50. All right, so here's the setup. Cold pool of air moving over us. The last of the showers mainly moving through the southern half of Oregon. As you've seen, not too much up north. Here comes this system along pretty quickly, though. And that's a warm front, and that will give us the rain, we think, coming up tomorrow afternoon and evening. Now, here's the big change that gives us the stormy weather on Friday. Just rain coming in from the north now. Watch how it just goes straight west to east, and when that happens, boy, that's just a fire hose of moisture up at about 30,000 feet, 25,000 feet above the top of the Cascades. That wind will be going about 200 miles per hour. So that's way up above the mountains. So then we get to next week and we're back in another pocket of cold air, and that brings cold snow showers pretty low once again. This morning we had sticking snow in spots down to about 1,500 feet. All right, so tomorrow we've got a dry start, and then in the afternoon, some light rain, nothing heavy though. But then we get to Friday. It's starting to come down during the day. It really comes down right in there, pretty heavy in the evening, but notice it's all gone. Saturday it looks all quiet. So total rain out of that again looks pretty heavy once we get to Friday afternoon, Friday night. There could be, I think that's slightly overdone, but 2 inches or more in parts of the metro area. We haven't seen that yet this season. So about 50 tomorrow for high temperature. Temperatures won't move that much. We got that first alert weather day on Friday. It will be warmer with the south wind, but power outages, ponding of water on roadways, maybe some flooding in the mountains and spots, we'll see. Saturday is quiet, rainy and chilly Sunday, and then it kind of quiets down. I don't see a whole lot happening next week, but it will be cold. Those high temps like midwinter, so that's pretty cold for early November. Highs in the low to mid 40s.